There are so many cool designs for garden sticks. You just need to use your imagination. So this is probably number 4 of my 5 design series of garden sticks. So if you want to see other designs, just go to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this awesome glass and beadwork garden stick. So if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button and let's dive in.
All right, today we are making one of my favorite things ever, a glass bead copper garden stick. And yes, it's as magical as it sounds, like something a tiny garden fairy would order on Etsy. Let's go. Step 1, start at the top. Take your round nose pliers and start by making a spiral. Once you are satisfied with the spiral, grab something you can use to wrap the wire around to make a loop, not a stressed out loop, a calm, confident loop. Roll the wire inward, nice and steady, until you've got a clean little circle. This is where your garden stick says, "Hello, I am decorative and emotionally stable." If it's a little wonky, perfect. We're not machines, we're artists. Step 2, start shaping the stick. All right, now we take the rest of the wire and start bending it gently downward. We're not making a ruler. We're making something organic. Think soft curves, slight movement, like your garden stick just woke up and chose elegance. You can add a gentle wave or keep it mostly straight. Both work. Just don't overthink it. Wire senses fear. The key is to go slow and adjust as you go. Don't rush it. Don't fight it. Just keep shaping and refining until it feels right in your hand. When you look at it and think, yep, that works, you're there. Step 3. Now take your hammer and gently tap along the stem. This adds strength and that beautiful hammered texture. Keep your strikes light and even. We're shaping, not smashing. A few passes is all you need to give it that finished professional look. Step 4. Time for beads, the fun part. Okay, now we bring in the stars of the show, the glass beads. This is where everything starts looking like you know what you're doing. Take your first bead and slide it down from the top, right under that loop. And instantly, we've gone from random wire to intentional design. Love that for us. Step 5, locking the bead in place. Now we don't want the bead just sliding around like it owns the place. So take a 20 gauge wire and start wrapping the beads in place. Step 6, repeat and build your design. Stick it in a plant, a flower pot, or your garden. And just like that, you've upgraded your entire vibe. And the best part, every single one you make will look different.
Thanks so much for watching. I would be so interested in hearing which one is your favorite so far. And heads up, I have one more coming. So next week we are going to do one more garden stick. See you in the next one.